Welcome back in, everybody. It's Wednesday morning. I got some Pokemon cards in my P.O. box.
You sure about that?
I need to picked up some singles. Got a return waiting on me over there, which is always fun. And then we're going to go to the outlet, and we're going to have a great day. I took yesterday off, stayed home, did some stuff around the house, but I'm ready to go look at some junk.
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Alright, so I wasted about 15 minutes over at the post office trying to find these damn Pokemon cards that were supposed to be delivered. I guess the eBay standard envelopes that sellers use get scanned by the machines, so they get scanned early and then I guess still take 3 days to show up in your mailbox, which is kind of nuts. So hopefully they're not lost. Hopefully they show up here in a couple days. They're not high dollar cards or anything, so I'm not sweating it too much, but I was excited to get them and they weren't there. I did get my return though, so that's cool.
You feel like a failure?
Do I look like a failure to you? No.
Look at that guy.
Told you yet?
Not yet, I haven't talked to him yet. Hey now, what are you doing?
What do you want, though?
Don't make me come over there, old man.
Come on ahead.
I'll make my way over. You just wait. I did. It's interesting. Look at that Psyduck. Detective Pikachu. I'm out of sorts. We'll get it figured out. That's freaking sick.
It's chicken. It's fried chicken. It's fried chicken.
Throw this at Bryce. It's chicken.
Plastic. Maroon check. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How you doing?
Well, you know what's interesting? I found a piece of, what do you got? Stand stiffle.
This is a gun.
Yeah, I found a piece of brass.
Mm-hmm.
And I think another piece of copper, and then somebody else handed me a piece of copper. And I found a little
Your minions.
copper wire, and it's gone to hell since then.
Well,
Just found those.
those are nice.
Yeah, I'll buff them up with a wire wheel.
How much at the flea market? $2? You gonna keep them?
That's kind of nice. 2 or 3.
$2 or $3?
Let me tell you. Oh, tomorrow I'm going to the flea market in Dayton, so I will not be here.
I thought we were gonna hang out tomorrow.
No, yeah, we can. Dayton.
And Dayton? I'm not going to Dayton.
Let me assure you that the FBI has my fingerprints
I think I heard that story
and my picture. What story?
about all that happened.
No.
This might. It's rough. It's real rough. Look at that. You don't see them that big.
You
No.
know what's nice about them?
What?
Stainless steel.
Mm.
Number one, it doesn't rust,
Yeah.
but it's also harder material.
What are you gonna do with them though?
I save them.
In case you ever need a big screw.
That's right.
You need a good screw, huh?
Well,
Is this? Wowee. I don't know if I've ever seen this remote. We got some NFL bases. This. Missing battery card. Yeah, boy. Where did this come out? Playtronics. What the hell? What? I don't know. I found this game sealed here one time. Got really good money for it. I was gonna keep it, and then I decided I would just list it, and I listed it high, and it sold, of course. Dweebs, Geeks, and Weirdos. It's a cool little board game. Croissant. Had that. I'm gonna look that up.
Anybody throw any clothes or shoes on lane 1? Guys will be out of here.
What'd she say?
I might look at these clothes, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be back. The hell's the size?
Some keys.
I was gonna say, are those yours? I didn't think you were a bushman.
No.
Oh. Go to the end here. Look at all that wrapping paper.
Here, money.
That's what we want. Roy Payne. the big cow. Alright, so I really wanted my Pokemon cards that I was supposed to get in the mail today, and I didn't get them. So I decided to go to Walmart and see if they had any cards, and I got another one of these things because I'm a sick individual. And we're going to open these up real quick, and I'm not going to get anything, but let's see. You never know, I guess. Let's see what we get here. We're just gonna do this right here, right now. Don't see anything back there. That Gyarados is sick. So, I guess I can't be too mad at the hollow Gyarados. Okay. Looks like it's going to be another hollow. Magmortar. He's cool. Alright, great. It's a black code card. I got an EX. Who'd I get? I already have that. Alright, guys. This has been a total wash of a day, really. I got the Puffalump. The Puffalump looks like it might be okay. It's got some stains, but I think those usually clean up pretty well for me. Yeah. Overall, not a great day, but whatever. That's how it goes. We're gonna go home now, get some lunch, and as always, I want to thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, hyping, sharing, all the things you guys do for me here. If you guys like this content, you're a sick individual, just like me. And I'll see y'all on the next one. As always, take care and keep the thrift alive.